Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gideon van Eycken from 4G Art, Graphic Art and Photography. Today I want to show you how to create a golden button in Wordpress Divi theme. This is the golden button that I've made with a beautiful gradient background and border. This button also has a hover effect. If you want to grab the customer attention with a premium call to action button, then this will be a good tutorial for you. First thing, enable the visual builder. Now I want to put one more button, so I need to make space for the third button. Hover on the row and change the column structure for 3 modules. Before we go any further in the Divi builder, we need to create some golden CSS design. The good news is that I've already made it for you. Download the CSS design in the description below. Unzip the file and open the text document. Copy all the CSS code and paste it in the Divi custom CSS. And don't forget to save the custom CSS code update. Now we're ready to create our button. Click on the plus icon to insert the module. For this button, we need a text module. In the new module tab, search text and insert the text module. In the text module under the visual tab, you can type the text you want to appear on your button. Then click on the chain icon to insert a link for your button. When you are done, just click on the text tab next the visual tab. To link our CSS design to our text, we need to put a code between the A and the hyperlink reference. Type class equal golden and dash button. And the text will transform into a golden button. Congratulations! Our golden button is done. Are you wondering how I create the CSS metallic color gradient? Just keep watching and I will show you how it's done. I download an image of a gold and import it into my design program. I use the eyedropper tool to pick the color from the image. I pick the color from dark to light to create the gradient effect. After I've made the gradient, I note the individual hex color code for the next steps. This step is for the bottom background color. With the hex code, I rebuilt the gradient in CSS. I've used the website cssmatic.com to generate the code. When I'm done with creating the gradient in cssmatic.com, I will copy the generate code and paste it in Divi custom CSS. The following step is how I have created the bottom border. I use the same color sequence that I use in my design program to create the border, from dark to light color to light to dark color. This is how you can create a beautiful metallic gradient for your website. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it.